Okay guys, today I have washed, detangled, conditioned, deep conditioned my hair and blow dried it to blow it out. I am attempting bead-in braids because I've been watching videos on YouTube and I just feel like I can do this. I'm not sure if I can do it on myself, but from what I see, most people use about 7 pieces of weave to actually feed into the braid. I usually French braid my hair when I get it blown out anyway, because my hair never lasts in a blowout too long. So I have already, I'm just gonna try to do 4, because usually if my hair is blown out, I will French braid it to the back like this. So I only have 4 sections. I have already like pre-parted. All I have to do is possibly gel it, start braiding, and feed in the hair. So for my first section, I do have 7 pieces of hair already sectioned. So I think I'm just going to start the process, and I'm going to start.
perfect, perfect.
Hair. First time doing fitting braids. I think I did okay with this being my first time. I think I pulled it tight enough right here. I definitely do not want to go back and try to do it again. I would just make sure I grip it tighter if I do decide to try this style again. I think these will be in probably for about a week, if that. Possibly I could have I used gel, which made it like smoothing gel, which made it very slippery for me to grip because I'm not that good at braiding my own hair. That's why I'm usually trying different styles with it. I could not get a lot of my hair to tuck in. Can you see a bit frizz like right there? So I don't know, these may just end up being in a ponytail most of the time, like that piece right there. Connect it to tuck in, and then the gel just like reverts my hair back to this naturally curly state. But I say I will rock it for a few days. Trial and error, right? This is my finished product. I don't know. Guess I could have did. I don't know. I just did not care for the gel. Did not like product in my hair unless I'm actually doing a twist out. So I don't know. Gel is just. I don't even know if I would try it again just because of the gel. And I know it's like gonna gunk up in my hair. So we will see. But that's it. So thanks for watching and being on this journey with me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.